I purchased this Gasland Induction Cooktop about a month ago. Had it installed, and we've been using it on a regular basis, and we couldn't be more impressed with the operation. There are 5 independent cooking zones, 2 on each side, that can be interconnected into a 8-inch by 15-inch contiguous cooking zone. And then there is a large cooking zone also in the center, which accommodates 10-inch diameter pots with full coverage. The operation is pretty intuitive. There are operations that go from a simmer to a 9 setting for boiling. And we're going to do a little bit of a demonstration on how this can boil water. You simply turn it on, select your cooking zone. I'm selecting the lower right. I placed it on 9 to boil, and it'll take about a minute for the water to actually boil. The operation is relatively quiet. There is some buzzing and clicking that can happen from time to time, but nothing that is out of the norm. And the functionality is far superior from the radiant heat cooktop that this replaced. So in less than 2 minutes, you have boiling water for cooking. I highly recommend this product, and I give it a 5-star rating.